dark and the background looks dark. So I'm just going to pop my hair up into a ponytail however I normally would, and I haven't even checked to see the match, to be honest, but it should be fine. And then I'm just going to pop a bobble in like this. Now the colour may be slightly lighter than what my hair is, but it probably should be fine, so we will see. Now, did I tell you the length of these? It's an 18-inch one. So we are going to stick it into the top of the ponytail like that, and we are going to try and wrap it around nice and tightly so that it doesn't come loose. Oh, and what we do need is a clip or a bobby pin, that's what they're called, and that's what they're for, to sort of clip in the extension. So that it doesn't move out of place. Now, you can't even tell that I am wearing an extension. Considering the colour didn't match perfectly, maybe this is me just being crazy, but you can't really tell, and that blends in really nicely. Now, I probably wish I did go a little bit longer, if I'm honest, because that's just me personally. I love like really long hair, and it looks like nice and natural because it's got like a nice curl at the bottom and stuff like that. I'm actually really happy with it. Feeling it, you can 100% feel that there is extensions in there because you've got like a net thing here, and it just makes it like nice and puffy at the top, so just bear that in mind. But I don't think you can tell that that's there, you know, but I think that looks absolutely fine, you know. I definitely don't feel like you can tell that I have extensions in, do you think? And then also this bit, I was a little bit concerned that we were going to be able to see the Velcro. I didn't think there was going to be enough hair for it. It looks absolutely fine. You can't see the Velcro at all, so that is a massive plus.